Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus to be launched by 2025. Tesla is planning to start producing and using Tesla humanoid robots next year. According to Elon Musk, the humanoid robots will be first tested by Tesla, which will begin creating them to sell in 2026. Previously, Tesla said that it's expected that the robot, known as Optimus, to be ready for use in the company's factories by the end of this year. Other companies like Honda and Boston Dynamics have also been developing their humanoid robots. Taking to X, Musk stated, Tesla will have genuinely useful humanoid robots in low production for Tesla internal use next year, and hopefully high production for other companies in 2026. So what is a humanoid robot? Humanoids are bipedal robots equipped with the upper body, arms, and head to mimic human anatomy. These are complex mechatronic systems with highly interdependent technical aspects. How much does it cost to build a humanoid robot? Tesla aims to build an autonomous humanoid robot to perform unsafe, repetitive, or boring tasks. Earlier, Musk said Tesla aimed for the robots to be mass-produced and cost less than $20,000 each. Musk is famous for setting ambitious lineups for his companies, which he hasn't always met. In 2019, Musk said that he felt very confident Tesla would have self-driving taxis on the road by the following year. Previously, Musk said the long-awaited robo-taxi will be released on August 8th. Musk didn't provide a new date and said he had requested a change to the front of the vehicle. He wrote, "The extra time allows us to show off a few other things." Tesla CEO Elon Musk's businesses have been progressively focusing on technologies like AI, autonomous driving, and robots at a time of slowing demand for electric cars.